Hello lovely customers, today I'm going to be showing you how we make the YaYa wall. My name is Young, as you know already. So this is a 5D wall and it involves the use of several flowers. So first of all, when you're about to make this wall, you have to make sure that you put on your apron so that it will help prevent some rubber particles from staining your clothes. Okay, secondly, you have to make sure that you prepare all the tools that you need in advance, such as the glue, the furnace, the wire pliers, and your tape measure. Apart from that, you have to also preheat your oven, or you have to preheat your stove for about 15 minutes before you start the process, so that by the time you are ready, the glue is also ready for you to start using. And apart from this, you also need to wear your gloves. You need to wear some gloves to prevent burns. You have to also spread out the fabric on the table and make sure that you have all the flowers that you need for making this flower wall. So some of the flowers that we use include the peony, the camellia flower. We also have the roses and some leaves as well. Right, so after you've gotten all your materials ready, the next step is to start making your flower wall. So first of all, you need to lay the foundation with the hydrangea flower walls. That is the first flower that we use for making this flower wall. So you dip these hydrangea flowers into the hot melt glue and then firmly attach it onto the canvas, which is the first layer. Apart from the hydrangea flowers, we have the dahlia flower as well. So we use a combination of the dahlia and the hydrangea flower as the bottom. You lay the foundation for the first layer, and then you ensure that the flowers are placed at the edges to make sure that the entire cloth is covered with enough flowers. Alright, so after the hydrangea flowers have been mounted onto the canvas, you need to also intersperse it with dahlias. So you have to evenly intersperse the dahlia flower with the hydrangea flowers. Then our first layer is complete. And once the first layer is completed, in the spaces that have been left after you've added the hydrangea and the dahlia flowers, you need to fill in these gaps with the green leaves. So the first layer is the dahlia and hydrangea flowers, then in between the gaps you add the green leaves, then our second layer is completed. After this, we now add the third, the fourth, and the fifth layer, then your YaYa wall would have been completed. So once you've done this, you need to make the flower wall a bit more colorful. So this is where we add the garden roses, the peonies, and some few other flowers to make sure that the entire canvas is covered with a lot of flowers, or enough flowers to make it have the 5D feel that we advertise on our website. So once you've added all these flowers onto the canvas, your 5D YaYa flower wall would have been completed, and there you go. So basically, this is how we make the YaYa flower wall. And if you have any comments or any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.